Start.
I take this opportunity to congratulate Telugu Book of Records and its founder, president, Dr. Chintapatla Venkatachari for founding such a great book of records. We know so many, say, books of records like Guinness World Records and Limca Book of Records. It is really great on the part of Dr. Venkatachari Garu to found this Telugu Book of Records because it is such an institution that does research and finds great Telugu people who are living across the world and finding their abilities and capabilities and their merit. They award them and they recognize their talent and abilities by giving such certificates. One good thing with the Telugu Book of Records is normally when people think that they are capable of doing something, they apply for a record, be it Guinness World Records or any other record for that matter. But coming to Telugu Book of Records, these people do a lot of research. Not only recognizing the talents of those who apply for it, they themselves do a lot of research and find out the abilities of great people. They go to them and they honor them, they recognize them and they award these certificates. This is a unique feature, unique quality that this Telugu Book of Records has got, and day by day it is gaining credibility and popularity, because when only it does service to the deserving, only then it reaches to the expected level. And I'm sure it is doing a wonderful job, and even in the days to come it has to compete with itself and make a big mark. And I'm sure the Telugu Book of Records is a matter of pride to have in our Telugu states, both in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. And I expect many more laurels to Dr. Chintapatla Venkatachari Garu, the founder, president, and the whole crew members, all the team who are doing a great job across 2 states and the South India. I wish them all the best, and may Telugu Book of Records prosper like anything. I wish you all the success.